Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, can you guess what we will do in today's online session? Okay, let me tell you. I'm having very interesting worksheets for you, and today we will do recapitulation of phonic sounds and pre-writing strokes. Whatever we have studied, okay? So, students, recap is very important for you. So start with phonic sounds with me. This is the phonic chart. Now start repeating with me. A says apple. B says b, ball. C says k, cap. D says d, drum. E says a, elephant. F says fish. G says grapes. H says hat. I says igloo. J says juice. K says kite. L says lamp. M says mango. N says nest. O says octopus. P says pencil. Q says quilt. R says rose. S says sun. T says tomato. U says umbrella. V says violin. W says watermelon. X says Christmas tree. Y says yo-yo. Z says zero. So students, hope you all understood. Now students, move to our pre-writing strokes. So tell me students, which line is this? Yes, this is a standing line. This is a standing line. And the formation of standing line is top to bottom. Now, which line is this? Yes, this is a sleeping line. The formation of sleeping line is left to right. Move to the next one. Now, who will tell me? Which line is this? Yes, this is a forward slant line. And the formation is top to bottom towards left hand side. And the last one is yes, this is a backward slant line. Very good. And the formation of backward slant line is top to bottom towards right hand side. Very good. So students, I have prepared some homework for you. Hope you all will complete it. Now let's move to our worksheets. So before starting the worksheets, I request to parents, please note down all the worksheets in your words notebook. As you can see in this, and I want to tell you a thing. See, if you will give creative worksheet to your word, then she will be very excited to complete the worksheet. Here I prepared the worksheet of standing line. First of all, ask them to trace the standing line from top to bottom and tell them to see so many butterflies are there and they want to sit on flowers. So let them help to trace the standing line. After completing the tracing, tell them to do the coloring in flowers and butterflies. Okay. Now next I prepared the worksheet of sleeping lines. So parents, here you can guide your child to trace the dotted line and tell them to name the strokes. Or you can tell them about the shapes like circle, square, rectangle and cone. With this, they can identify the shapes also and tell them to match with same shapes and color it. Now move to the next one. Forward slant line. So parents, here you can guide them about the nature of beauty like clouds, raindrops, plants and grass and tell them to trace the dotted line and name the strokes as well. And tell them this is a scene of rainy season. So they have to join the raindrops. After completing the tracing, ask for coloring also. Now the last one is backward slant line. So parents, in this you can guide or tell them the shape of kites, and kites are flying in the sky with the help of thread. So children, what you have to do? You have to trace the backward slant line, you have to trace the thread and name the strokes. After completing your tracing, you have to color in kites. Okay students? So do your homework very neat and clean and show your strokes and coloring to your family members. Fine. Now that's all for today. Hope you all do the practice at home, and parents, please revise the phonics sounds A to Z regularly. Thank you.